Hello everyone and welcome. I'm thrilled to be standing here with Marie from VMware. Before we jump into her sharing of their strategies and strategic focus on the market, why don't you introduce yourself, Marie?
Yes. Hi, I'm Marie Bannemoberg, Country Manager for VMware Sweden. So managing the Swedish team and all our fantastic partners. Happy to be here today.
Excellent. I'm thrilled to have you here. So, 2020 has been a really challenging year for all of us, and due to the pandemic and the impact it's had on businesses and people. So how has that affected the way you discuss with customers today?
For sure, 2020 was a challenging year for everyone, and I think this is the year when the digitalization really took or needed to happen, and when you needed to change the way you invest and you prioritize your transformations. Companies had to very fast adopt to the way that they are delivering IT and consuming IT. But that also fits very well to VMware strategy to be able to help to capitalize on the investments you already have and be sure that you are ready for what you will need tomorrow.
That's interesting. So when you discuss this next IT era with your customers, what are typical areas of discussions you come across?
I would say it's all about how to create value faster to your customers. And value in the IT language is all about applications. So how can you build, run, and manage and distribute applications in a faster pace without compromising on security and so on. And that fits really well to VMware's strategy. Also the way that you adapt to remote work, which was a big challenge for everyone last year. And that I think this year is about how to stabilize that kind of solutions. And then it all comes to security, accessibility, productivity, and those kind of things. And that is where you guys come into the picture, right?
Exactly. That's spot on. We have the data-centric perspective, bringing the capabilities to safeguard data, but basically regardless where it resides, and bringing that data portability capabilities also. So when we look at VMware and Veeam together, what are you most excited about in our collaboration?
I would say that I'm most excited about the fact that we mutually can help our customer entering the cloud-native world with our Tanzu platform and your custom platform for data management of the Kubernetes platform. I would say that also spot on to the fact that we can make the traditional way of handling application coexist with the new era. And that is spot on for both VMware and Veeam, I would say.
Well said. I couldn't agree more. And thanks, Marie, for coming here and sharing your perspective and what your customers are saying. And we're looking forward to jointly guide our customers together into the future.
Thank you.
All right. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.